In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make groundnut soup. First of all, you wash your meat. So I'll be using cow meat, goat meat, tripe, and what fish. Season your protein, add maggi, salt, habanero pepper, and what atarodo. Stir them together like this. Don't add water and don spoil. Cover it and allow it to boil before adding what extra water. Just follow this procedure in case you want to make your delicious groundnut soup. For those who are not from African, groundnut soup is a popular soup in Africa, yes, especially Nigeria, you understand. Now over to your groundnut. Fry it, add salt, add this leaf, stir it together so that it will have taste, you understand. Stir them very very well, fry them very well, then you now pour them inside your blender, add water, blend very well. Now back to your meat stock, add enough crayfish. You can decide to take your meat out, you can decide to leave it, but I like taking my meat out of my meat stock, you understand. So look at me, I took the meat out. After that, I added what palm oil. Hope you are following this method though, because I don't want you to make mistake when next you are making your groundnut soup. After adding your palm oil, pour in your blended groundnut like this. You can use spoon to cut it small small, or you do it like this, whichever way. After this, don't stir it. Don't stir it. Cover it like this and allow it to boil, allow it to cook before stirring it. After stirring, adjust your seasoning. At this point, meat stock now is already there, everything. So adjust your seasoning, add salt, maggi, and all of that. Taste to adjust. Okay, then add your meat. Oh my god, add all the proteins in the world. Take a look at this, give it a good taste. So guys, I'll be using bitter leaf, that's dried bitter leaf, and uziza leaf. Oh my god, use dried bitter leaf, don't use fresh but use dried one, okay, and fresh uziza leaf. And you see that, so that you have the taste of this soup will come out. Do it like this and thank me later. After adding them, stir it immediately. Get why? My god, use pounded yam to download this thing and come and thank me later. Take a look at this. Please don't forget to like and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if today is your first time of coming across my video. I love you guys so much. Thank you for supporting me. Thank you for always supporting me. My god, I will take your love and support for granted. Okay, if you want to know or learn how to cook African dishes, you're in the right place. Stay tuned and stay with us. Okay, bye 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 bye. Let me go eat my pounded yam with my groundnut soup. Confirm pounded yam. So after that, I package some to store in the fridge now. Oh my god, oh my god, I'm a foodie for life. Where are my fellow foodies? Come, let's enjoy ourselves. So I took some, I packaged some, store in the fridge, and I made correct pounded yam to use and download the remaining one. My god, I ate, and since then to now, guys, I'm still sleeping. Oh.